Hey beautiful people, it's Rickita and I'm back with another video. So in this video, I just want to give you guys some letter writing tips when it comes down to disputing accounts on your credit reports. If you guys are inside of my exclusive membership, I give you guys letters that you can use to remove negative items from your credit reports. The only thing is a lot of people get those letters and they think too hard. And when I say think too hard, I always tell you guys, just put the name of the account on there. And if you have the account number, put it on a letter and mail it out. If you want to know the trick to making sure that you get items deleted, the trick is this: be consistent. If you send out letters every month and don't care that you sent out a letter and it don't get deleted, keep sending out a letter, because eventually that account will be removed from your credit report. And now some of these accounts too, say if you have like some late payments, the late payments, it may be easy to get those removed. It may be hard. Like some companies just don't like removing late payments. So if you're having a hard time removing certain accounts, don't forget, if you're a part of my exclusive membership, we can help you try to remove these accounts for free. So make sure you guys just stay consistent in writing your letters. If you stay consistent, I promise you, you will see great results. Make sure you have your 4 credit cards, and just make sure that you just stay on top of your credit and don't get discouraged. And if you're part of the exclusive membership, don't forget, you guys will have the free credit repair option. So you guys can actually just go ahead and just look down in the description and join the exclusive membership. When you join the exclusive membership, I believe it's like the 3rd link inside the exclusive membership. On that 3rd link, that's where it says, hey, sign up for your free credit repair. So I'll see you guys later. Make sure you guys join the exclusive membership if you guys need help with your credit. And if you're looking to buy a home, make sure you guys join my home buying program. And if you ever have any questions, just call us, 833-RICKITA. I'll see you later.